Alright, here you go. Got Hornady Black 7.62 by 3.9 doing the cantaloupe pop test at about 50 yards. We're going to 2D print the bullet and see what we get. So y'all stick around and stay tuned. So Hornady Black, this is 7.62 by 3.9 cantaloupe pop test. This is one of our 2D printings where we get the bullet on the entry, expands in the cantaloupe, and hits the board on the back side, which gives a picture and idea of the hole that it's creating as it's going through. Alright, here we go. Got bullet back here. Oh, shit. Are you shitting me? Fell down the crack. Yeah. Alright, show goes on. We're not stopping. So we're in. We did get a good print. No, I ain't looking. There are bigger chunks of lead here though. Definitely, it was a solid piece that stuck together. That's pretty sad. So, alright. So much for that. Alright, here we go. Got the results. If I can cut it with my corn sack shank. Alright. Got the results. That is going in right there. This is a cantaloupe pop test coming out, cantaloupe on that side. There you are. You have a little bit of, there is what we're looking at right there. So it would have been going in, that would look like that. So if we go this way, going in, it would look like that. So the bullet did kind of veer down some on it, and I lost a bullet in the crack. There you go. Nice little hole there for you. But we'll just turn it back this way. Give y'all a comparison like that. Hoping the wind ain't that bad. I'm not apologizing for it. Just said I hope it ain't that bad. But here you are. That's what we're looking at. Let's see if we can get a little bit of measurement going on here for y'all. We got 0.49. 0.3. It's almost 19. Not almost 19. So there you are. That is our print. That is a nice wound. Definitely a nice hole, nice bullet. Make for a good, definitely make for a good hunting load. Right there. Thanks for watching.